Hello and welcome. SmartVend is our new contactless and telemetry portal. It will provide you with greater transparency of your business while also allowing you to manage your costs and increase your sales. Functionality is really easy and it has the ability to provide you with the concise reporting, which is going to enable you to reduce your operating costs through greater efficiency, and more importantly, provide you with an in-depth understanding of the machine's performance. It can also provide you with an improved route planning capability and machine uptime, which will make sure you maximize your sales potential. Using the SmartVend dashboard, depending on what machines you've got set up, you can view this as a site manager and just see the data for their individual site. Or you could view this as a full operational manager or a director, and you can see all of the telemetry information for all the machines you've got in your entire estate. Ultimately, this dashboard focuses on two areas. So the question is, where are you tracking sales? So what is selling well in terms of by vends or by actual sales valuation? You can see this either daily or bi-weekly. If you wanted to drill down even further, as it has real-time access, you can also track it hourly and see that information. If you wanted to track sales in more detail, you could look at it from a product level. So from the two graphs you can see, depending on the planograms that you have set up, it will tell you what is selling. Or we can look at this from a non-sales perspective and a proactiveness operationally to think what machines do you have and what machines are operational. Are there any machines that are highlighted as a danger that I need to go and visit? Here you can see you have different telemetry alarms and alerts that are going to show you this information. Power off. That will tell you the machines are off, so you know you need to send somebody to the site to make sure the machines are switched on. In terms of sales, you'll see a no audit read icon. This is stating that we haven't received any telemetry information for your device. If we haven't got that information, then we can't get this proactive information in terms of what is selling. Machines and alarms. Again, we should know if there's a number of highlighted against one of these alerts, then we know where to go. We then have no stock visit. Where it's listed as 50, you can personalize your own parameters and thresholds. So if a contract or site has a different KPI or target level, you can set that by contract by machine type, so you can work out different targets based on your own selection of choice. If we look at the amber highlighted box, it's saying there are 20 technical faults. This might say you've got 20 machines where the doors are open, for example. Looking in a bit more detail, you can compare year on year, week on week, month on month sales, whether that's by vends or by evaluation, whether that's by machine or by site level, and even on product level. This is a good way of analysing trends. Did hot chocolate sell more than a latte last Christmas compared to this Christmas? It gives you that level of information. These reports also provide actionable data to allow you to make key decisions on underperforming machines. This system allows you to understand the full sales breakdown daily, and this can be filtered down to individual machines. You can also understand what your best-selling products are. The data can be used to influence your decision on product stock moving forward. If you would like to do some machine analysis, then here you have a lot of different types of important pieces of information that you can check. So you can actually check when the last audit file was received. You can check the float level in the machine. You can check the stock level. So based on the planograms that you've set up, the telemetry will let you know if the machine's 50% full, 70% full, or 20% full. There is also an option to drill down to signal strength at the machine location. Sales data can be drilled down, filtered and exported from regions to individual machines. Quick overviews of sales patterns to allow easy trend analysis and promote a more flexible approach to operations. So if you know a machine is busy from 11 AM on a Wednesday morning, you can plan your operator to visit and make sure the machine is full, clean and in working order prior to the rush. All of this data is also exportable to Excel. Based on the thresholds that you have set, the system will automatically tell you based on your stock levels when you should visit. Going into that in further detail, it will actually tell you what you need. So it will give you a picking list. So again, provide efficiency into your route planning. For example, your operator pulls into the car park and he knows he needs 100 bottles of Coca-Cola for the site, and each machine needs 10 individual bottles. This information will make your route planning effective and efficient. This is a planogram based on the product sales. You can set your own planograms and get your product sales. From the product sales, you can set your own thresholds. You can set your system to let you know if you have not had a sale in 4 hours on this machine type. If this then occurs, you would receive an alert to say, no sale in 4 hours. You also have the ability to produce a variety of operational reports to identify any technical issues you may be experiencing. Paired with our signal strength guide, it enables you to proactively target engineering works to prevent issues moving away from reactive service calls. With tickets and dashboards, the user can view issues which are occurring in individual machines in their estate. These will be labelled with priority levels and can be managed by the user to update once resolved. So from a customer service perspective, this has the potential of solving any issues prior to the end user calling in. And finally, we have personalised reporting. This allows system users to create personal reports down to machine level to give a granular view of specific data. These reports can be named and saved so users can access these reports on a daily, weekly or monthly basis. To summarise, the SmartVend system has been designed to provide you with a greater visibility of your estate, ultimately enabling you to reduce your operating costs through greater efficiency.